In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a Xero supplier bill import using the CSV template. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the official template in Xero and how to complete it correctly so your bills are ready to bring into your accounting file without errors. First, log into Xero using your usual secure method. Once you're in, head to Purchases. This is the area where you manage bills you need to pay. From here, open the Purchases overview. Think of the overview as your control panel for bills. It's where you'll see options that relate to adding or importing bills in bulk. Next, click Import. This opens the import area dedicated to bringing in multiple bills at once. Rather than guessing the correct column names or order, you'll want the official layout from Xero, so click Download the Xero import template. This gives you a CSV file that's pre-formatted with the right headers, which dramatically reduces the risk of failed imports. Open the CSV template file using a spreadsheet tool such as Excel, Google Sheets, or another editor that preserves CSV formatting. When the file opens, avoid changing or deleting the column headers, and keep the file type as CSV so it remains compatible with Xero later. Now, enter the supplier bill details into the template. Add each bill as rows of data, filling out the information exactly as it appears on your bills. Use supplier names that match the existing contacts in Xero to prevent duplicates. Enter dates in a consistent format supported by your Xero region, and type numbers as plain values without currency symbols or extra spaces. If your bills include tax, choose the appropriate tax type that exists in your Xero organization so calculations line up correctly. For accounts, use the account codes from your chart of accounts rather than free typing account names, which helps Xero recognize where to post each line. Keep descriptions clear and concise, and if a bill has multiple line items, make sure each line is represented consistently based on how the template structures multi-line entries. Before you save, make sure required columns are completed. Check for any blank mandatory fields like contact, bill or reference number where applicable, dates, amounts, account codes, and tax details. Confirm there are no merged cells, stray commas that shift columns, or hidden characters copied from other systems. If you used formulas, convert them to values, so the CSV only contains raw data. Finally, save the file as a CSV. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Purchases, opened the overview, grabbed the official template, entered your bill data, and verified the required columns. You're now set up for a smooth import process.